Hi friends, today I'll show you a Kadha recipe, an instant relief to your cough, cold and congestion. It's very easy to make with some flax seeds and some bishop's weed seeds. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about half a cup of flax seeds, 1/4 cup of Ajwain or bishop's weed seeds, 3 big teaspoons of turmeric and big piece of ginger. Put the flame to high and take a small wok. Now we are going to dry roast the flax seeds. Just toss them like these. They start to pop up, so it takes about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium-low flame to roast these well. So just keep on stirring them like these. You'll notice that they kind of start popping up pretty fast. So use a cover like this on the side and just keep mixing them. Now they are pretty much done. Just give them a final stir like this and go ahead and turn the flame to lowest. And take them out in a plate. Next up, we are going to roast the Ajwain or the bishop weed seeds. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes since the wok is already hot, so just stir them well. Notice the change in color. They are well done now. Switch off the flame and take them out in a plate. Now we have the flax seeds and Ajwain well roasted. Let it cool down. Now we are going to grind the roasted ingredients. So put the flax seeds and the bishop weed seeds in the grinder. Add the ginger piece and the turmeric powder. Now I'm going to make a fine paste. I'm also going to add some water to it. This is how it looks, nice and mustard color. Now let's take out this paste that we made in a separate pot. Add about 5 to 6 cups of water to this paste. So I'm just going to wash my grinder attachment and take out all that paste that's left out and fill this pot to the top and give it a good mix. Looks something like this, so let it settle down for a minute or so. Put the flame to medium high and we are going to boil this mixture. So keep stirring it in between and let it come to a boil so much that it reduces to the half quantity. So it will take about 45 minutes to an hour on a medium-high flame to reduce it to half its size. Now it's well done. Switch off the flame. Now we are going to strain this boiled mixture and we are going to use a strainer with really small holes because we just want to extract all that water, not as much of the residue. So it will take some time. So this one was the smallest that I had. So if you have a little wider one, use that. So little by little, strain this mixture. Take a help of a spoon to kind of, mix it and take that water out. So keep doing that until you have kind of strained most of that boiled mixture. So almost there. I'm gonna strain that last batch, and now here we have our strained mixture ready. Now here I have some honey. You can also add sugar, but honey is more better for your sour throat, so that's what I'm using. So add as much as you need. The sweetness depends on really how much you like it. Give it a good mix and the kadha is ready. Serve it in a cup. This kadha is also very helpful for the children. This kadha in winters, it's pretty handy. Make it an excess, refrigerate it, take out the quantity you need and just warm it up in a microwave. Here I'm just adding few mint leaves to give that extra soothing flavor. If you like today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.